plants that can strengthen your immune system and how to use them. Hi, this is Jovanka from JovankaCiares.com, and today we're going to talk about 5 plants that are amazing for your immunity, especially with respect to seasonal types of respiratory conditions and others, and how to use them. These are the ones that the European Food Safety Agency considered to be really great for your immunity because they have been well studied and have a great safety data behind them. There are a lot of people out there that will tell me, you know, Jovanka, I eat a ton of healthy foods. I know I get all of my nutrients and I don't need to worry too much about my immunity. The reality of the matter is that even if you follow a healthy lifestyle and you know that you take all of your nutrients, the environment around you, the situation that you might be in, the stress levels that you might be part of might make you more vulnerable to the attack of viruses and bacteria from the environment, especially when the seasons happen to start changing, which naturally are the times when our bodies feel a little discombobulated and we need to do more to help protect our systems. Obviously, if you're the kind of person that smokes, drinks in excess, and does all kinds of other really not so great things for you, then you need to be super careful, and this video might be even more important for you. So let's check them out. But first, help me spread the word about natural remedies, vegan lifestyle, and healthy living by subscribing. Also, click that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. The first one is Echinacea. This is probably the most popular used plant when it comes to protection against respiratory conditions like colds or the flu. The extracts are known to be immunomodulant, and you want to take your Echinacea at the very beginning when you first start to feel that pinch, and take it as often as you can in small doses for 2 to 3 days until you feel the symptoms subsiding. Thyme is another one that I've mentioned multiple times because it is rich in flavonoids and tannins, and these are substances that are going to strengthen your defenses. Those essential oils are going to be amazing. They have antibacterial properties and they're really great for cough and any issues of the respiratory system. Taking it in syrup or in tea is the best way to consume them. Rose hip. This one is amazing, high in vitamin C and flavonoids, very high in antioxidants, there to strengthen your defenses and prevent cold and flu. You want to also take it in tea form, ideally. Garlic. Okay, that is the quintessential ally when it comes to your respiratory system and your health in general. It should not be missed in your kitchen and your dishes. It is great at improving your circulation and it's a great antioxidant. We know now from a lot of studies out there that garlic extracts have a lot of antiviral and antibiotic properties. And finally, sea buckthorn. This is one that is actually used topically more than anything. It is very common in all kinds of beauty products, but it's also highly anti-inflammatory. So this plant could be really great to put on your chest or around your nasal area to protect you and making you feel better when the symptoms first appear. So that's it. That is the video for today. Do you have any other plants that you love that are great to strengthen your immunity? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends all over the internet and that you subscribe for more tips and a jolt of motivation for your healthy, happy, and beautiful life. See you soon.